Hello and welcome to Style My Way. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Design with Emma. Co-hosts are Pure Elegance by Kim, May's Design Corner, Debbie Bubbles, Being Mel B, Decorating with Jazzy Green, and myself. And any other participants will be listed in the description box. Okay, I am going to be styling my laundry room in mostly neutral colors, which is the theme. Since this is the laundry room, I really didn't do too much. I basically gave it a little refresh by adding these hooks, a place for my brooms and mops, and ironing board, and of course a laundry basket. And I added some things to the top of the cabinets, like this basket of greenery and a couple wreaths on the doors, and this little arch embellishment above the door. I did decide to move the ironing board to the back of the door because it was covering the light switch. There we go. Okay, on top of the cabinets, I have this basket with some greenery in it, and a couple of potted greeneries and a sign here that reads, "Every day is a fresh start." And I thumbtacked these two lamb's ear wreaths to the door. So I'm just taking you around the room again. Like you can tell, it's a very tiny room. That was a lint brush hanging on the hook. And here's my mop. And my husband's shirt is hanging from the hook. And I have some beads. This reads, "Wash, dry, and fold." And I thought I'd show you inside the cabinets. I have a couple of little bins with cleaning supplies, extra towels, clothespins, and even plastic bags there with my detergent. And in this cabinet, I have my iron and a upholstery shampooer and some signs and basket with more cleaning towels in it. And as you can see, I pinned the one wreath to just the one side of the door. That way you can open it and it not interfere. And here is another little sign that reads, "Grace and gratitude in all things." And I just framed it myself. And of course the washer and dryer. We had purchased those at Lowe's not too long ago. Another look around the room. It's very clean and organized. I can usually find what I'm looking for pretty easily. And we freshened up the paint in here about a month ago. Okay, I'm just backing out of the laundry room to show you my chalkboard here that reads, "Wash, dry, fold, repeat." And the last thing I thought I'd add is this fall wreath. So I'm just going to hang it right outside the laundry room door. I think that looks pretty. And it's my first touch of fall decorating. Well, I want to thank you all for watching. Now be sure to check out the playlist. Leave everyone a comment and a like. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now.